Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to use exceptAll function in PySpark. So this will mainly use to find the difference between two data frames. So exceptAll function in PySpark used to find the difference between two data frames while preserving duplicates. So this means that it returns all the rows that exist in first data frame but do not appear in second data frame even if there are duplicate rows. So that means suppose we have two data frames. Okay, so those two data frames should have same column numbers and should have same data types. So then you can compare both the data frames and you can check uh, what is the difference between two data frames. And suppose if you have duplicate rows, so while comparing, no, it will consider duplicate rows also. So what is the scenarios we'll use this function? So first use case is data validation. So when performing data validation between two data sets, you can use except all to identify discrepancies and missing records, even if duplicate exists. Suppose one scenario like I have already one target table, okay, in my dev environment. Now I got one new CSV file. Okay, so I want to compare these two data sets. So then we can use this one. So to find only new records. So we don't want common records, we want to find new records. So that is one application. Second one is data cleansing. During data cleansing process, you may want to find and remove duplicates or redundant records. Except all can help identify such records. So second one is data synchronization. So when dealing with the data synchronization between different data source or system, except all can assist in identifying changes or discrepancies. So suppose you have data got from different sources. Okay, so you want to compare both the data sets. Then you can use this function. Data quality monitoring. For monitoring data quality in stream or batch processing. So there you can use this one. So if you're working on any streaming project, no, so you might have used this one. And what is the syntax? So syntax is data frame, that is first data frame dot except all and second data frame. So this data frame is the source data frame from which you want to find the difference. So other is the data frame you want to compare against. So I have want to explain by using different uh, cases. So first case is I want to apply except all function on two data frames. Okay, so for first data frame, sample data frame I created. Okay, like this. So here I have this much data, and this is for uh, table one, data frame one, and in data frame two, I have two records. So here I have some around eight records. In data frame two, I have two records, and these are my column names. And here I'm creating data frame one, data frame two by using create data frame. And if you observe this, see total we have 8 rows, and in data frame 1 and in data frame 2 we have 2 rows, and you can observe all having same data type. Okay, and now we created two data frames. Next what we'll do, we'll try to use except all function. So df1 dot except all df2. So to find the difference. So if I try to display this, what we are getting is 6 rows. So what is this 6 rows is, if you observe here, see, this is our input data frame. Okay, this is second data frame. So this data frame, it will compare, suppose it takes first row. Okay, so then it compares this with this data frame, uh, and it found that this is common record. Okay, see, Ramesh ADF grade 1 2025. See, this row is common, and then it won't print this record, and then it will check this one, Bibin SQL grade 3 28 3. Bibin SQL grade 3 28. So here it found two rows. So first one and third one, sorry, first one and third one are available. Means these two rows are available. So now what it will print is, other than first and third, remaining 6 rows, it will print here. Okay, so that is the difference. And next, case 2 is except all on two data frames, but with required columns. So here what it doing is it comparing all the columns. See, while checking this, it considering all the columns. So now I want to select only few records as per my requirement. So I am defining those columns. So here I want to compare only customer tech level. Okay, customer tech level. So I don't want to compare these two. So then I define these columns, and I am using select function df1 dot select, and this column names to compare is this one. So df1 dot select of these three columns, df2 dot select of these three columns, and define this variable. Now these variables I'm using here. Now this is my first data frame, and except all, and this is my second data frame. And what is the result? This 6 rows. Okay, so since we have 2 rows common records, it giving remaining 6 rows. See here, I kept common records. No, if you see here and here, maybe you can add one more row here, and you can change some value. Like suppose this all having same records. Okay, so maybe you can change one value like 25, then you can compare. Then your result will be different. So you can try that from your side. Okay, so now we saw this second case. Next we'll go for third case. So except all on three data frames. So if you want to compare on three data frames, how to do it? So first I'm creating data frame 1. So in this I have total these 6 records. Okay, 2, 4, 5 records. And these are all column names. ID, fruit. And second data frame, I have 2 records, and these are the column names. And third data frame, I have 3 records, and this is my column names. Now what my requirement is, find difference between df1 and df2. First I want to find difference between these two data frames, then find differences between that result with df5. So we'll get one result, no, by comparing these two. Using that result, I want to compare this data frame. Okay, so to find rows in df1, not in df2, and then further filter those results by removing rows that are also in df5. Okay, so that means first I will compare these two, df1 and df2. So what I'm getting, if I try to display this one, see I'm getting these 3 rows. And if you observe here, see one apple common, two banana common, and we have two extra, these three records extra. Okay, so it will print other than common. So that's why we are getting 4 grape, 5 melon, orange. Okay, 4 grape, 5 melon, 3 orange. So this is the result of this one by comparing df1 and df2. Now, by using this result, I want to compare this third data frame. Okay, so for that, what I'm doing, result df1 dot except all df2. So this it will compare first do two data frames. By using this result, I'm using one more except all on df5. Okay, so what it does is, see here in third data frame, we have three records, 4 grape, 5 melon, 6 watermelon. If you see here, 4 grape is there, 5 melon is there, this one record is different. Here 3 orange is there, here 6 watermelon is there. So two records are common, one record is different, that is 3 orange. So our result will get uh, from our initial data frame. See, these two are common. This is our first data frame. So in this 3 orange, and in this third data frame 6 watermelon is there, but we are getting output 3 orange. So that means it will print result in df1. So okay, this is about using on multiple data frames. So like this, you can try on multiple data frames. So here I tried on 3 data frames. Maybe you can try on further data frames, maybe for one as per your requirement. Okay, you can practice for this. You can add one more data frame, or you can add some 2 or 3 data frames. And if you observe here, all our data types are same. Okay, so these first 3 are our input data frames. So these all having same data type, and column names are same. And our the next use case is how to return a new data frame that exists in one data frame but not in other data frame. Okay, so this is my first data frame, spark.read.csv. This is my CSV file. This I'm reading, and I have these records in this first data frame, and this is my second data frame. This is except all revision 2. See, data frame is different, and I have here what I'm trying to do is I am trying to print in first data frame how many records are there, that is 49, and how many distinct records are there, so 49. So that means there is no duplicate records. And in second data frame I have 69 records, and in this common records are 49. Okay, out of 69 I have 49. So what I'm doing, I'm using exceptAll function on these two data frames, df underscore revision 1 dot accept all df underscore revision 2. If I compare these two, I'm getting result this one. So how many records? 16 records are different. Okay, so if you see here how many records we have, total 49, and we have 69. First data frame has 49, second data frame has 69, and among, if you compare in these two, we have 16 records are different, and you can compare each and every one. Okay, I will share these two CSV files. You can compare manually uh, if you want to get how this these 16 records are different to each other. Okay, so this is very useful when working on projects to find the difference. Okay, by using this exceptAll. See, these duplicates. This I'll forget to show with some example. Maybe I will try to make other video, one more video to show how it considers duplicates. Okay, so I will try to explain in other video. We have one more function like subtract. So that subtract function, it neglects duplicates. Okay, so in that video, I will explain difference between except all and subtract. So how duplicates it will take care in both the functions. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.